Hello, welcome my YouTube channel Sadiq Jet. In this video, you will learn about the layer menu of Adobe After Effects 2019. So I have also discussed about file menu, edit menu, and composition menu. This is not a very huge topic to explain. So you just need to know about the new composition setting, so which you have already learned about that, how to create composition for your new project. And now I will discuss about layer, what is layer menu and how it is used for your project. And now I will click on this. Firstly, you need to select the object on your main com, and then this work this will work. And you can see the layer setting is shift. You can make the setting of layers. We don't have any layers, so we have to make layer from this. So now let's see where is layer. So now we have to select both these, and if you click on your layer, camera adjustment, shape layer, then this will be gonna shape layer. Now I will click on this, and now just click on this layer, and you can here make a mask. So we have created the mask here, and you click on this layer, mask and shape path. So if I have this shape, and so these will be hidden because of because we don't have any related object of the layer. So I will just tell you that how to use these items. So you need just to select these main comms items, and you can see that you can transform, anchor point, position, you can do everything. I have select these, and position you can just increase the. So I will click on OK. Now you can see our position has changed from there to here. And you can also check the quality, best draft wireframe. You click on the quality of the object, you can see that the difference between the previous one and next one. And the second one is draft, and basically this is draft quality. And if you click on best, so the best quality. Now you can also transform like position, rotation, opacity, fill lip, and these options you can use. And the next one is transform. You can also use transform time reverse layer. So you can click on time reverse layer. So our time reverse layer will be something like that. You can see that there is now the time reversement is started. And you can also change it layer to 3D layer. Here you can see that I have clicked on 3D, and you can make it like this, and like this. You can also change. So that is the work of 3D layer. And you can also click marker, guide layer, or preserve transparency. You click on preserve transparency, you see that the first object has disappeared, and the second object has appeared from the back of this main object. Blending mode, you click on blending. When you click on blending mode, you see that there are a lot of options on this. If you have laptop or PC, you just need to do it according to your work. And next is blending mode, is the same from blending mode previous, and track matte. If you have different color, you can track the matte. And layer style, you can also change the layer style. Arrange is easy, and you can create to editable text. Camera, and you can use 3D camera, auto ray trace, precom, and that is the mm, best solution of layer menu. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.